One thing I struggle with is consistency. And honestly, I know how important it is to show up consistently for your business or for your brand. The thing is, if you're not consistent, even the algorithm will not take you serious. So in January, something happened. In January, I pushed myself to show up consistently for 21 days on YouTube. Yes, of all places, YouTube. It was really stressful, it was difficult, but at the end of the day, the result was just amazing, not just for my channel, but also for my mindset. So I'm making that decision again. I'm pushing myself again to show up consistently. And here's the catch: for the next 21 days, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to become a content creator. I'm a stay at home mom who has been creating content for the past 4 years, since 2020. So I have a lot of experience and insights to share. So if you're someone who wants to learn how to create content in 2025, you want to become a content creator, or if you're a business owner who wants to learn how to create content because you need content to sell your products or your services. So if this is you, if this is something you're interested in, please stay tuned. You can also turn on post notification so you always be notified whenever I drop a video. I assure you, you're going to learn so much. And also, if you're a mom who wants to start content creation in 2025, you're going to find this series helpful. I'll see you in day one.